Welcome to 5-Minute English. Today we'll learn about topic 100, packing smart. Travel essentials. Let's get started.
Before we start, here's an interesting trivia question for you. What is the most famous landmark in Paris that many travelers like to visit? Think about it while we learn.
Great. Now let's dive into today's vocabulary words. Pay attention and practice along.
Pack. To put items into a container.
Example: I will pack my clothes for the trip.
Carry. To hold or support while moving.
Example: I will carry my bag on the bus.
Fold. To bend something over.
Example: please fold the shirt neatly.
Check. To examine or verify.
Example: I will check my list before leaving.
Zip. To close with a zipper.
Example: please zip up your jacket.
Prepare. To make ready for use.
Example: I need to prepare my bag tonight.
Travel. To go from one place to another.
Example: we will travel to Vietnam next month.
Label. To attach a tag or label.
Example: you should label your suitcase.
Arrange. To organize or set in order.
Example: I will arrange my items in the bag.
Unpack. To remove items from a container.
Example: let's unpack our bags now.
Bag. A container for carrying items.
Example: I bought a new bag for my trip.
Suitcase. A large case for carrying clothes.
Example: my suitcase is heavy with clothes.
Toiletries. Items used for personal hygiene.
Example: don't forget your toiletries for the trip.
Map. A visual representation of an area.
Example: I need a map to find the hotel.
Snack. A small amount of food eaten between meals.
Example: I packed a snack for the journey.
Excellent work. Now let's see these words in action with a real conversation.
Hey B, have you started to pack for our trip?
Yes, I've started to prepare my suitcase. I need to check my map and toiletries.
Good idea. I always forget to pack snacks. Did you remember to carry some?
I did. I packed some granola bars. How do you fold your clothes to save space?
I like to roll them, it helps me arrange everything better.
That's smart. I should label my bag too, just in case.
Definitely. Let's zip everything up and make sure we didn't forget anything.
Agreed. I'll unpack the last few items and we'll be ready to go.
Wonderful. You're doing great. Time for some fun practice with our quick pronunciation game.
Let's play a quick game. I'll say each of the 15 words, and you repeat after me. Pack. Carry. Fold. Check. Zip. Prepare. Travel. Label. Arrange. Unpack. Bag. Suitcase. Toiletries. Map. Snack.
Here's the answer.
The correct answer is the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is a famous landmark in Paris, France. It is a tall iron structure that was built in the late 19th century. Many people visit the Eiffel Tower each year because it is an iconic symbol of France.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more 5-minute English Fast with MD. See you next time.